boat tap.
How can I live without your love? 'Cause I am nothing without you. How can I live without your love? I'm nothing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to this video presentation. Today I'm incredibly thrilled to introduce a creative, interactive and highly effective educational tool designed to tackle one of the most common wordless in English language acquisition, mastering vowel sound. We all know that English phonology can be notoriously tricky, especially for non-native speakers. Mispronouncing a single vowel can completely alter the meaning of words. To bridge this gap, we have created a gamified solution that transforms dry phonetics drills into an engaging classroom experience. Over the next minutes, I will guide you through our core phonetic concept, target learners, game components, rules, and classroom benefits. Let's dive right in. First, we address vowel length. Understanding how short versus long sound change word meanings is crucial. For instance, lengthening is the short vowel sound in beat transform it into beat, while shifting from hope creates hope. Second, we introduce intuitive spelling patterns. We want learners to easily spot structural cues. Finally, we practice sound discrimination. This trains the learner's ears to tell apart minimal pairs words that differ by only one single sound, such as beat, and not or not. Mastering this prevents major breakdown communication errors. Okay, let's moving into slide 2, the target learners and learning objective. Our target learners are split into two primary segments. The first is secondary school students reinforcing their language foundation, and adult learners aiming for practical pronunciation refinement. To support them, we have established 4 clear learning objectives. By playing this game, learner will first recognize and pronounce short and long vowels correctly. Second, pair subtle differences between highly similar vowel pairs. Third, noticeable increase their confidence when reading English aloud. And fourth, most importantly, discover that phonetic learning can be genuinely enjoyable. Okay, now let's look at how the game physically functions by shifting slide 3, which is game components. This slide details our 5 standard game components. Component number 1 is the game board, featuring a path from start to finish, packed with alternating yellow and board squares, alongside classic ladders to climb up and slides to slide down. Next are the interactive cards. Component 2 consists of the yellow cards with content short vowel words. Player must read the word and explicitly say the short vowel sound. Component 3 consists of the brown cards, which contain long vowel words requiring the long vowel sound. To drive movement, component 4 is 1 dice, which player rolls in turns. Finally, component 5 represents the player token, used to track position on the board following a seamless flow. Roll the dice, draw a card, and apply any leader on slide movement. And how exactly do you play to win? Let's break down the mechanics. Step 1. A player rolls the dice and moves forward. Step 2. They land on a square and check its color, yellow or brown. Step 3. Draw the matching color card and read the word aloud and say the isolated vowel sound. Step 4. The group checks the result. If correct, the player will stay. If wrong, they face a small penalty and move back 1 square. Step 5. If the square contains a letter or slide, they move up or down accordingly. Now play close attention to the win condition. The first player to reach finish It's exactly wins. Interestingly, ladder or slide effects can cause an instant win if the token lands on exactly on the finish spot, keeping suspense high until the very last second. Okay, next, let's talk about real classroom application by exploring slide 5. It is ideal from pronunciation phonics and speaking classes, small group activities, friendly group competition, or as an end of unit review games. The classroom benefits are immediate. First, it ensures active participation, engaging students physically and mentally. Second, it facilitates fun repetition. Students practice vowel repeatedly without the boardroom of traditional drills. Third is command, attention, and motivation. Because the unpredictable ladders and slides keep the energy high. Essentially, students practice and sound discrimination repeatedly just because the game is so enjoyable. One. Book. In summary, our vowel sounding board game perfectly combines vigorous phonetic practice with engaging, cognitive, and interactive board game mechanics. It provides concrete help for students to pronounce vowel correctly, distinguish between tricky sounds, and truly enjoy English knowledge. So, as our motto, it's learning English, so it has never been this one. Roll, read, and win. Okay. Thank you so much for your time.